Hey y'all, Melissa here with you today, and today I'm going to show you how I made this dress that I wore to a wedding on the beach this summer. This is made from measurements, can be made in any length you want, any size you want. So let's go over how to do it. You're going to start by taking some measurements. Measure above the bust, below the bust, the total length plus 4 inches, the top of the dress to below the bust to the waist, and the bust circumference. Cut a piece of fabric that is 2 times the below bust measurement plus 2 inches in width and measurement 4 in length. Using a ruler, measure down measurement 4 from the top of your fabric and make a horizontal mark all across the fabric. Make a series of vertical marks down from the horizontal line. These marks should equal measurement 5 and be spaced 2 inches apart. Begin 1 inch in from the side edge of the fabric and continue across. Pin these marks together to create the pleats between the bust and the waist and press. The red arrows indicate the pleated areas. Each pleat removes 2 inches of width. On each side, take out 1/4 of the measurement 6 all the way up. Round down if you have an odd number. For example, if measurement 6 equals 30 inches, 30 divided by 4 equals 7.5, and you'll round down to the next even number, which is 6. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, so 3 pleats will take out 6 inches. Don't press or sew pleats all the way up in the center front. Make sure to backstitch at the beginning and end of each pleat. This is especially important on the shorter pleats. Press your pleats box pleat style with the center of each pleat matching the stitching line. Measure the top edge of your dress, making sure to pull the unpleated edge flat. Subtract measurement 1 from this measurement, and that number is how much you need to take out in the remaining pleats. Count the number of pleats that you have in the center section of the dress and divide your number by that many pleats to find out how much you need to take out per pleat. Finally, divide by 2 to find out how much to mark on each side of the center of each pleat. Mark and pin these pleats across the top edge and down 1/2 inch. Stitch the pleats, back stitching on the lower edge. Press your pleats open. Fold your dress in half and cut at an angle, angling down 1 inch or more from the beginning of the full-length pleats to the center back. Fold your dress in half and sew a center back seam so that you can insert a zipper. Unzip the zipper and bind the top edge with double fold bias tape. Leave about a 1/2 inch overhang on each end. After the first pass of stitching, fold the bias tape right sides together and stitch even with the zipper teeth. Fold the bias tape to the inside and finish stitching. Hem the bottom of the dress. Put the dress on and zip it up so that you can pin straps exactly where you'd like them. Once you're done pinning those straps in place, then you want to stitch them in the ditch where you stitched your binding on. You can do extra long straps like I did that get tied in a bow, or you can measure precisely how long you want your straps to be and then sew them on to length. And that's all there is to it to make this dress. Check out this playlist for more options if you're interested in sewing your own clothes.